The Holy Quran is a complete book of miracles. The superior wisdom in it are evidence that is the word from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Of course, Quran is not a book of science. However, many scientific facts that are expressed in brief and profound manner in verses have been discovered with the technology of 20th century. These facts could not have been known at that time when Quran have been revealed. Let's discuss about Pulsar, a great miracle of Quran. First of all, we need to know what is Pulsar. Well, pulsars are among the strangest objects in the universe. A pulsar is highly magnetized rotating neutron star. Pulsar from pulse and AR's cursor. It is a neutron star, a white dwarf that emits a beam of electromagnetic radiation. They were named pulsar because of their rapidly pulsing nature. Pulsar having very strong magnetic field which funnel jets of particles out along the two magnetic poles. These accelerated particles produce very powerful beams of light. One way to think of a pulsar is like a lighthouse. We see pulsars turn on and off as the beam sweeps over Earth. Now let's see what Quran says in Surah At-Tariq verse number 1 to 3. By the sky and the knocker. And what can make you know what is the knocker is? It is the piercing star. In this surah, the word tariq stems from the root tarh, meaning knocking or striking. In many translations of the Quran, this word was taken as a name or as a nightcomer. The word may also mean to pulsate, like beating heart, from which the word tariq is derived. It is clearly denoting an object thus far away in space, a star called Pulsar, and in third verse of the surah you can see the piercing star, or a bright star that clearly indicates to pulsating neutron star. As you can see, the Quran had already mentioned about pulsar that was to be discovered. Indeed, the pulsar was discovered in 1967. Since the concept of a pulsating neutron star could not be imagined about 1400 years ago, Subhanallah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala indeed gives us a unique miracle that can be examined and experienced by not only people who lived at that time, but also for the hundreds of years to come. It's a clear indication that Quran is the word from Almighty Allah.